In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the cabin air filter on this Fiat 500. It's located below the glove box behind the kick panel. Let's get started. On the passenger side kick panel, you see a T20 screw. We're going to have to remove this so we can get to the cabin air filter that sits right behind here. So take a socket and a ratchet and remove this. And with this off, you're going to be able to pry this panel away. It does have some plastic clips that it's holding on to, so pull on the ends of it and remove it, set it aside. Now, the cabin air filter, although it is there, we won't be able to access it until we take this piece off. Now, like I said, we have to remove this panel right here that has two push clips, so grab a trim tool and pop them off of each corner. And then you want to pull it down past this one right here, just like this. Remove these push clips so you don't lose them, set them aside, slide this panel out. And now we're going to have full access to the cabin air filter, which is located all the way in the back. Use a 5.5mm socket and remove the two screws that mount this door on. So this right here is what covers the air filter. And there's one screw all the way at the bottom, right here. Try not to lose them, they're very small. And another screw in the middle. With those off, you should be able to pull this door off. And careful of this wire, you can lift it up and out of the way. You can pull your cabin air filter right out. There it is. If you have leaves and debris and stuff that's in there, you always want to vacuum it, clean it all out. Don't put the new cabin air filter with it like this, otherwise some of the debris will get sucked up by the blower motor and pushed through the vents, and it will also prevent the cabin air filter from sealing up. So like I said, get a vacuum, clean all this out. On the new cabin air filter, you'll see that there's an arrow. You want to make sure that the direction of the arrow is pointing towards the inside of the vehicle, not towards the firewall side. Also, there's two reinforced ends to it. The soft end is what you want facing towards that little door, with the reinforced ends on the top and on the bottom, and of course the arrow pointing in the correct direction. Take that new cabin air filter and slide it in. There we go. Fell right into place. So let's cover it up with this little cover. Line it up, press it on. It's not going to get locked in, but it will stay. And you're going to want to put in the two little 5.5mm headed screws. All right. Thread them in. Be very careful. You don't want to strip out the plastic insert that they thread into. These are very small, and if you do that, the door won't be secured. So as soon as they bottom out, stop right there. That's it. Let's grab this panel that goes underneath the glove box and slide it into position. Grab the two push clips and secure it on each end. Now grab the kick panel and line it up. Once you have it lined up, grab your screw and start it in. Let's lock this panel down. All right, snug it up, And there you have it, cabin air filter has been replaced.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.